Nymo are the UK specialists for stainless steel, tubular and pipework systems. We specifically target the needs of the hygienic, pharmaceutical and industrial sectors. Our stock offering is hugely supported by our head office and globally recognised brand of AWH GmbH. AWH manufactures a comprehensive range of flow technology products, meeting the demanding standards of the food, brewing, distilling, beverage and pharmaceutical industry sectors. Products include valve technology, tank cleaning solutions, magnetic mixer technology, as well as strainers and sight glasses. Our stock program, as well as our manufacturing capabilities, offer huge advantages for our customers and enable us to be a one-stop shop for all of your requirements. We offer our UK customers the broadest range of material specifications off the shelf, including Euronorm, British Standard, DIN, SMS, ISO, ASTM and ASME bioprocessing equipment, from 12mm up to and including 609mm. This is supported by our high-quality technical sales team, with more than 100 years combined industry experience. This allows us to work with you at both the initial design stages of your projects through to completion, as well as serving the urgent day-to-day orders delivered to sites across the UK. Nymo are centrally located. We can service the UK on short delivery times and have a huge range of stock for next-day deliveries. Our experience, combined with our product inventory, allows us to be your first choice. We look forward to working with you.